Okay, class, we have completed all our lesson for semester 2. So now what we are going to do is we are going to revise all the lessons again. So starting from lesson number 6, Mauryan age, Chandragupta and Emperor Ashok. That lesson we are going to revise again. So for this, what we are going to do is I will explain you question answers and all the exercise questions that you have written in your book again. First question was MCQs. In all of Chandragupta's achievement, which of his mentor played an important role in guiding him? मतलब यहाँ चार ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, गुरु द्रोणा, गुरु सांदीपनि, गुरु चाणक्य, गुरु विश्वामित्र. इनमें से कौन थे जिन्होंने चंद्रगुप्ता के अचीवमेंट्स में अपना एक कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है, मतलब एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल पार्ट प्ले किया है? It was Guru Chanakya, option C. So Guru Chanakya was a person who has played an important role in all of Chandragupta's achievement. Second, which of the texts written by Chanakya provided information about the social, political and economic system of the time? तो इसमें से कौन सी बुक थी जो चाणक्य ने लिखा था और जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देता है उस टाइम की सोसाइटी, उस टाइम के पॉलिटिकल कल्चर, इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम, सबके बारे में? ओके, सो इट वाज अर्थशास्त्र विच वाज रिटन बाय चाणक्य दैट प्रोवाइडेड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम ऑफ that time, उस मौर्यन एज के बारे में वी गेट टू नो मोर. थर्ड, बिंदुसारा अपॉइंटेड अशोका एज द गवर्नर ऑफ विच प्रोविंशन? तो बिंदुसारा ने बिंदुसारा अपॉइंटेड अशोका, बिंदुसारा ने अशोका को अपॉइंट किया था एज अ गवर्नर. किस पार्ट का? Avanti. It was Avanti for which Ashoka was the governor. So Bindusara appointed Ashoka as a governor of which provision? It was option A, Avanti. Fourth, where did Ashoka send संघमित्रा फॉर प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ बुद्धिज़्म? यानी बुद्धिज़्म के बारे में लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए, प्रोपोगेट करने के लिए अशोका ने संघमित्रा को सिलोन भेजा था. सो योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, सिलोन. वेयर डिड अशोका सेंड संघमित्रा फॉर प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ बुद्धिज़्म? इट इज ऑप्शन बी, सिलोन. फिफ्थ, which of the following was the language of most of Ashoka's writing? ज़्यादातर अशोका ने जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स लिखवाए थे, वो जो भी लिखे थे, वो किस लैंग्वेज में? इट वॉज इन प्राकृत. सो ऑप्शन सी, प्राकृत. Which of the following was the language of most of Ashoka's writing? It was Prakrit. So I will repeat the answers. So in all of Chandragupta's achievement, which of his mentor played an important role in guiding him? C. Guru Chanakya. Which of the texts written by Chanakya provided information about the social, political and economic system of the time? D. Ardhashastra. Third, Bindusara appointed Ashoka as the governor of which provision? Option A, Avanti. Where did Ashoka send Sanghmitra for propagation of Buddhism? B. Ceylon. Which of the following was the language of most of Ashoka's writing? Prakrit. The next question was, answer the following question in short. First one, how far was Ashoka's vast empire spread? The vast empire of Ashoka was spread at the northwestern border from Kandahar to Peshawar, in the north to Nepal, in the south to Mysore and Gujarat, Saurashtra in the west, Kalinga in the east. So north में कांधार से पेशावर तक, साउथ में मैसूर, गुजरात, सौराष्ट्र इन दी वेस्ट और कलिंगा जो ईस्ट में. So this was the vast empire of Emperor Ashoka. What were the consequences of Ashoka's war with Seleucus? After the victory in the war with Seleucus, Chandragupta conquered 4 territories. Being impressed by the bravery of Chandragupta, Seleucus Nicator married his daughter Helena with him. तो उन्होंने 4 टेरिटरीज़ को कॉन्कर किया और उनकी ब्रेवरी से इम्प्रेस होकर जो सेल्यूकस निकेटर थे उन्होंने अपनी डॉटर हेलेना की शादी चंद्रगुप्ता से करवा दी. सेल्यूकस sent his ambassador to the court of Chandragupta. Thus, after the war with Seleucus, the diplomatic relations developed between India and the Greek. तो उसके बाद सेल्यूकस ने अपना एक एम्बेसडर चंद्रगुप्ता के कोर्ट में प्रेजेंट करा. उसके बाद जो सेल्यूकस और चंद्रगुप्ता थे मतलब इंडिया और ग्रीक दोनों के बीच में एक डिप्लोमेटिक एक गुड रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट हुआ. Into how many divisions was the Mauryan Empire divided for administrative ease? The Mauryan Empire was divided into 3 divisions for administrative ease. Into यानी कितने डिविजन्स में डिवाइड किया था पूरे मौर्यन एम्पायर को? 3 डिवीजन, 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में, ताकि जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है वो इजीली कैरीड आउट हो सके. 4th, Ashoka emphasized on propagation of which of the गौतम बुद्धा's principle. मतलब अशोका ज़्यादा प्रोपोगेट कौन से प्रिंसिपल को करते थे? यानी वो लव, काइंडनेस, कंपैशन, नॉन वायलेंस, वर्च्यू, इन सारे प्रिंसिपल्स को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देते थे, ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते थे, प्रोपोगेट करते थे. अशोका एम्फेसाइज्ड ऑन द प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ गौतम बुद्धा's प्रिंसिपल लाइक लव, काइंडनेस, कंपैशन, नॉन वायलेंस, वर्च्यू एक्सेट्रा. State the function of an officer appointed as a governor. तो जब भी किसी भी प्रोविजन का गवर्नर अपॉइंट होता है तो उसके क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़, क्या क्या फंक्शंस हैं जो कैरिड आउट होने चाहिए. द फंक्शन ऑफ एन ऑफिसर अपॉइंटेड एज अ गवर्नर वर एज फॉलो. तो जो भी ऑफिसर एज एन गवर्नर अपॉइंट होता है तो उसको टू मेंटेन पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी थ्रू द प्रोविजन, पूरे प्रोविजन में पीस, शांति और प्रोटेक्शन, सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करने का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहता है. रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट करना होता है. किंग्स के जो ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, क्योंकि ये तो गवर्नर है तो उसे मेन ऑर्डर किससे लेने होंगे? किंग से. टू कीप द एम्परर कॉन्स्टेंटली अवेयर ऑफ द इवेंट्स टेकिंग प्लेस इन दी प्रोविजन. और एम्परर जो हैं उन्हें हमेशा इन्फॉर्म करते रहना है कि हाँ क्या चीज़ें उनके प्रोविजन के अंडर हो रही है. सो द फंक्शन ऑफ एन ऑफिसर अपॉइंटेड एज अ गवर्नर वर एज फॉलो. फर्स्ट, टू मेंटेन पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी थ्रू आउट द प्रोविजन, टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू, टू ओबे द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ द किंग, to keep the emperor constantly aware of the events taking place in the provision. Question number 3. Tell whether the following statements are true or false. First, India was written by Megasthenes while Mudra Rakshaka was written by Kalhan. Okay, so your answer is false. India was written by Megasthenes while Mudra Rakshaka was written by Kalhan. Second, the task of Dhamma Mahatma was to propagate Jainism and to raise the moral standard of the people. It is false because the task of Dhamma Mahatma was to propagate Buddhism, not Jainism. So the statement here is false. Third, Chandragupta has spent his last days in Shravan-Belagoda. It's true. During the time of Bindusar, Magad spreaded from Mauryan Empire. No, it was already part of Mauryan Empire, so it was false. Fifth, Ashoka embraced Buddhism following teachings of Upagupta. It is true. Ashoka was a strong believer of Buddhism and last days of his life he spent as a Buddhist only. So true. So India was written by Megadhis while Mudra Rakshak was written by Kalhan. That is false. Second, the task of Dhamma Mahatma was to propagate Jainism and raise the moral standard of the people. False, because he was appointed to propagate Buddhism. Third, Chandragupta had spent his last day in Shravanbelagoda. It's true. Fourth, during the time of Bindusar, Magad separated from Mauryan Empire. False. And Ashoka embraced Buddhism following teachings of Upagupta. True. Okay, here we have few questions which you have to answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Which territories did Chandragupta Maurya conquer by defeating the Greek king Seleucus? So Chandragupta Maurya conquered these 4 territories: Kabul, Kandahar, Herat and Baluchistan. These were the 4 territories that were conquered by Chandragupta Maurya when he defeated Greek king Seleucus. Second, which information about Mauryan dynasty is found from the book Arthashastra? The information of political, economical and social life of people of Mauryan dynasty is found from the book Arthashastra, which was written by Chanakya. Third, which basic information is found from Indica, the book written by Megasthenes? The important and basic information about the capital of the Magad Empire and its administration is found from Indica, the book written by Megasthenes. मीन्स जो बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है मगध एम्पायर के बारे में जो हमें इम्पॉर्टेंट और बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है वो किस बुक से मिला है? इंडिका, द विच वॉज रिटन बाय मेगास्थेन्स, हु वॉज द चीफ अपॉइंटेड बाय द ग्रीक किंग इन द कोर्ट ऑफ चंद्रगुप्ता. Fourth, describe the area of Grand Trunk Road constructed by Chandragupta Maurya. So the Grand Trunk Road constructed by Chandragupta Maurya is the oldest and the longest road of Asia. तो जो ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड कंस्ट्रक्ट हुआ था चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के टाइम पीरियड में वो सबसे ओल्डेस्ट और लॉन्गेस्ट रोड है एशिया का. इट कनेक्टेड तमृति टू तक्षशिला एंड तक्षशिला टू सेंट्रल एशिया. Fifth, which ruler rebuilt the Grand Trunk Road during the Mughal Empire era? तो मुग़ल एरा के टाइम पे शेरशाह थे जिन्होंने ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड जो चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य ने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था उसे रिकंस्ट्रक्ट किया था, रीबिल्ड किया था ड्यूरिंग मुग़ल एरा. सिक्स्थ, by which name is the Grand Trunk Road known at present? तो at present Grand Trunk Road is known as National Highway from Delhi to Kolkata. ओके, जो दिल्ली को और कोलकाता को कनेक्ट करता है वो रोड है ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड. Who suppressed the rebellion of Takshashila in the period of Bindusar? Ashoka suppressed the rebellions of Takshashila in the period of Bindusara. 8. How long did it take Ashoka to take over the throne after his father's death? तो after his father's death it took Ashoka up to 4 years to take over the throne. मतलब अशोका को कितने साल लगे बिंदुसार की डेथ के बाद उनके थ्रोन पर एज अ एम्परर बैठने में? तो इट टुक हिम 4 years. From which script are most of the scripts of modern India developed? तो जो ओल्डेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट है वो है ब्राह्मी स्क्रिप्ट जिसमें से सारे मॉडर्न स्क्रिप्ट्स जो भी हैं मॉडर्न इंडिया के स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं वो डेवलप हुई है. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट्स ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया आर डेवलप्ड फ्रॉम द ब्राह्मी स्क्रिप्ट. Where is the inscription of Ashoka located in Gujarat? The inscription of Ashoka is located on the way to Damodar Kund near Girnar mountain at Junagadh in Gujarat. The inscription of Ashoka is located on the way to Damodar Kund near Girnar mountain at Junagadh in Gujarat. Match the pair. We have book's name and the writer name in section B. You have to match the book name with the writer. We have Ardhashastra, which was written by Chanakya, option 5. Mudra Rakshaka was written by Vishakhand, and third Indica was written by Megasthenes, and Deep Vansh and Mahavansh written were the Buddhist text. So I repeat, first with 5, second with 3, 3 with 4 and fourth with 1. Ardhashastra written by Chanakya, Mudra Rakshak was written by Vishakhadat, and third Indica was written by Megasthenes, and Deep Vansh and Mahavansh were the Buddhist text. So that's it about the lesson. Is there any doubt? And is there any doubt, you can message me, but make sure that you have written the PDF in your notebook and your book is complete. So when the exam comes closer, you will have to do only learning part. तब आपको book complete करने के लिए नहीं दौड़ना पड़ेगा. Okay, so make sure that you are writing all the PDF that are coming in the group in your book. Thank you for listening.